this is kind of part 2 on the what to do with the amazing pumpkin. And I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin cream cheese, and I'm kind of winging it right now. So I'm not sure how much of each I'm going to use. But I'm going to start with a half a cup of the pumpkin. Pumpkin has a lot of nutrients and not many calories per gram, which makes it a low energy density food, which is what most nutritionists recommend we feed our children and ourselves, low energy dense foods. So half a cup of pumpkin, and this is a big mixer, but I do want to use the beaters today and not the whisk because it'll make it fluffier. So I have a half a cup of pumpkin, and I'm going to start with 4 tablespoons of fat-free cream cheese. You can buy whatever brand you want, but plain fat-free cream cheese. You don't need full fat or even half fat cream cheese in this spread. Okay, 4 cream cheese. I'm going to make it 5 tablespoons. So I'm going to write that down. Half a cup and 5 tablespoons. I'm going to use 1/8 of a cup of Splenda. That looks right. And I've got a little bit of water over here because I might add water to make it more fluffy. So I've got pumpkin, cream cheese, Splenda, shake, 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 cinnamon, and cloves, ground cloves. All right, now I'm going to be able to tell if I've got the right mixture when I beat it. It's going to be loud, I apologize, and you'll probably see me add some water. I think it's the right amount of pumpkin and cream cheese. Use my spatula. You just scrape this off the sides, and it is clumpy. I can see white dots of the cream cheese, and I want to get them out. I want to make this smooth. Scrape it from the sides, and whip it up some more. And you can add more or less water, based on your preference, and to make it more or less fluffy, as opposed to thick, I guess. And remember, the way that food can become low calorie sometimes is that you dilute it with water. Okay, I think that's almost pretty perfect. Yeah, it's nice and fluffy. And I'm going to figure out the calories per gram of this. Maybe you would like to see me do that. I wish I had a small container, you know, one just this size that I could pour this into, but I don't right now. Okay. But let me tell you, this is how I would figure out the calories per gram, and later I could figure out by tablespoon. I don't need to explain that all to you, I don't think. But first of all, we need to know how many calories are in the whole thing and then how much it weighs. So I said I used a half a cup of pumpkin. That is 40 calories. I said I used 5 tablespoons of cream cheese, and it's 15 times 5, because there's 15 calories per tablespoon, is 75. The Splenda, we maybe added 25 calories at the most, but I don't want to leave it out. Water didn't add any, the spices didn't add any, so that's 10. 150, I think, but let me make sure, because I might add mistakenly under pressure. 140, see, I was making it too many calories. So I know the calories, now I need to know the weight. So I've taken a tear for that container. I hope you can see how nice and fluffy and the color. Then I want to show you something fantastic to put this dip on. Now you can put this spread, I should say, on any cracker. It's sweet now. Tastes like a pumpkin pie a little bit, so you can put it on any cracker that you prefer. But I've also found these snap toasts, they're called. Not necessarily healthy. I mean, they're not a health food, but they're low calorie. So I always look for healthy as much as I can, but in the end, low calorie is the deciding factor. I never claimed to be a super whole food healthy woman, but I try. And then, okay, so 206 grams. So 140 divided by 206 equals, it's 0.67, so 0.7 calories per gram. That would make this a low energy density food. Not the lowest, but very good. Like for an example, spaghetti squash is like 0.3 calories per gram. Apples are 0.5, so this is 0.7, and your grains and stuff are 3 point something. Potatoes as well. Okay, so here's the snap toast. So these are awesome, and they come in several flavors, but obviously I bought cinnamon for this. So a cinnamon snap toast with fat-free pumpkin cream cheese spread is a delightful snack. Probably a 60. If you had one, it'd be like 60 calories. So I hope that you'll try this.